What chaos shall I unleash today? Let me think. And as I always say, 2 heads are better than 1. No, I always say that. No matter, we have mayhem to suspense.
Unleash the havoc.
What about the super vortex generator? We've been meaning to test that. Or should we try this first? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Almost never. Let chaos reign.
Did someone leave the door open? I'm feeling a little brazy.
No, I closed it when I came in.
Affirmative. Windows and doors are secure. Do you have any 7s?
What's happening?
I don't know, there isn't usually a tornado in here.
I asked if you have any 7s.
Sketch, draw something to slow down the wind. I'll build a tornado vacuum to suck it up. Hurry up, Sketch!
You can't rush art.
It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to stop the wind! No, something to trap it! Come on, just draw something to block the wind. And not an actual block.
Don't interfere with my process.
Never mind, I'm ready.
There's the 7. I win.
He can't do that. I spent months building the super vortex generator. I did most of the work. Never mind. We still made a mess of Superzuzaa. Let's see them defeat that so easily.
That was strange.
Our secret hideout is a mess.
It sure is. I'm glad it's your turn to clean, Sketch.
Hey, I'm pretty sure it's your turn. I cleaned up after the pizza party, remember?
Yeah, but I cleaned up after the hippopotamus was here. Hey, Sketch, what do other superheroes have that help them out?
Let's see. Something that helps them out. Fancy boots?
No, something else.
Superpowers?
We already have those.
An appreciation for art?
They have a butler. A butler.
Oh, right. But we can't afford a butler.
Maybe we already have one.
Sorry, I am Fred. Friendly Recycled Electronic Device. F-R-E-D. There is no B for butler.
Tell you what, the tornado I trapped has tons of power. If you help us out, I'll make it into a battery for you.
You have a deal.
Hang on.
Perfect!
Now he's a fashionable recycled electronic device.
Do not expect me to do this every time the fort is a mess.
Curses! We just have to try something else. Where's our big book of chaotic plans? You had asked. I guess we'll just have to clean this place up.
Good luck with that.
If only I had a butler.
That's a cool looking plant. Did you just draw that? I did, Chip. It's a Venus flytrap. They're carnivorous. Carnivorous? What does that mean? It means they eat bugs to live, like, you know how the T-Rex was a carnivore? Oh, T-Rex is my favorite dinosaur. Well, you might say that the Venus flytrap is the T-Rex of the plant kingdom. It makes a smell to entrap bugs, then eats them. That's awesome! Can I see it catch a bug? I don't think we have any flies. I'll just draw one.
Oh, look! Sketch is feeling creative. We have a little surprise for her. With a chaos replication device attached to the back of her easel, she's about to get more than she bargained for.
Sketch? I think we have enough flies already. I'm not sure what happened. I only drew one. Well, you need to do something. Huh, what else would it apply? Oh, I know. What did you draw, Sketch? It better not have been Spider Sketch. You know I don't like Spider Sketch. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot, and I only drew one. Don't worry, I'll fix this. You better, and make it fast. Almost done, Shift. Hang in there. There, that should take care of the spiders. Ravens, how many did you draw? I just drew one. I don't understand what's happening.
My chaos replication device is dealing delicious mayhem. You mean my chaos replication device? It is creating havoc. Oh, grow up.
We need to do something about all these birds. They're destroying our secret hideout. Okay, what animal catches birds? Cats? Yeah, cats like to catch birds, right? Actually, I've always wanted a kitty. One kitty coming up. That's no kitty. That's a tiger. It's a cat. You said to draw a cat. Oh, so this is my fault now? I'm sorry, okay? It's hard to make art when you're under pressure. Okay, take a breath. Relax. You can fix this. Okay. I think I know we'll get rid of everything. Hey, over here. Now here. Now here. Dr. Chaos put a chaos replicator on your easel. What? I said, I think Dr. Chaos put... You know what? I'm just gonna turn it off. At least there's only one, but we still need to deal with all of this. I've got an idea. Well, that escalated quickly. Do me a favor and just draw some fruit in a bowl next time, okay? Hey, where did you send everything? Let's just say Dr. Chaos probably has his hands full right about now.
This is the wrong kind of chaos. It's always better happening to someone else. I'm ready to relax tonight. Did you get a snack for the new episode of What That Layer? See for yourself. Wow, where did it all come from? I raided the Zuzaaville grocery store. Please tell me you memory wiped the grocer. The last thing we need is for Team Zuza to come looking for us when they discover all the food is gone. Oh, I didn't take everything.
Food's here. Great, let's see. There's no food, only vegetables?
What's wrong with that? Vegetables are good for you.
That's insane! We could have had french fries or grilled cheese or chicken nuggets. I can't eat this.
But the store was out of everything else. And how could we possibly fight evil with empty tummies? Let's just eat the veggies.
Wait, where's Sketch? I can just ask her to paint the food I want.
Really, Shift. It'd be easier just to... He never listens.
Sketch, you have to help me here. Paint this. What do you need that for? Just do it. Come to my face, you delicious marble. Oh, it tastes like paint. Maybe Fred can make you some food. After all, he used to be a toaster. Thanks, Sketch. You're a genius. Hey, Fred, where'd you get that hot dog?
I've been saving it. Why do you ask?
Can I have one?
No.
We can trade you some vegetables for it.
In your dreams.
We are doomed. Vegetables are just too gross tasting.
What if vegetables didn't have to be gross? What if they could even be delicious?
That's impossible. That would require some kind of magic spell. Where would we ever find someone that could cast a magic spell?
Really? Mystic crystal? Potion vials? Magic wand?
Fine, but do you have magic that is so massively powerful that you can make vegetables actually taste good?
I know just the trick for this.
It's not going to work, and I'm starving.
We should steal food from Zuzaaville more often. Just imagine. Right now, Team Zuzaaville is trying to choke down all those vegetables. Pass me the cookies. Oh no, look at this. They're enjoying them. But how?
I can't believe you did it. You made vegetables actually taste good. You are without a doubt the most powerful wizard in the galaxy.
Yeah, of course. That was definitely magic I used to transform those vegetables, not just normal cooking.
Oh, we made a mistake. That was too much junk food. I regret everything.